dance all thing. So full of earthquake, but you so clever. You still a selector, you designed to be the dancer. If for me alone, I would have turned you into my lover. Girl, you want me near me, want to knock you with me hammer. Then make me get back and drop ya, mass ya. First time me see you, me da walk in a maca. No, me see you when me want to burn up in a fire. All up in a front like a thinking filler with a girl ya wine to look like mama killer. One touch me, it burn me like pepper. But you the DJ, you turn me a la. Seven no walk forever, you a la. Then everybody starts screaming, where the girl come from, nobody don't know. She's a devil angel and she's a go-go. Is this girl human and she's a yo-yo? Ask me, I don't know, but all me know. When Nicky Trump down African star, me see bus, me see truck, me see bike, me see car. Night time come and video light it turn on. Everybody start to alarm, can't keep calm.
I now move, sister.
Listen, is a year I had no me and my brother set up stall out here, so. And him soon come. So me I beg you do. Take up your things and move for me now. You come, make I help you.
Hey, what you think you do? Eh?
Me I try keep you out of trouble.
You don't hear what me say? Me say, I now move.
Me don't know which part you come from, come here, so you know. But me know you got to go.
Easy, Marcy. I have plenty of room for everybody.
Wait. So nobody now say nothing.
So we have a problem?
This brother, you know, come set up him stall out here and say him nah move.
What is about that? Wait, Marcia, you sure you ask so nicely?
Sonny, I was on my best behavior. But him say him like it, yes, son, him nah move.
So hold on. It look like it's only bad manism, you understand?
Yo, Sonny, watch out!
I'm going to make you pay for this pussy hole. Watch me. Here?
Where?
Go that fall.
96 degrees in the shade. Real hot in the shade.
Well, what you think? Go ahead, touch it. To one bite. You want to see something? Come, look at this.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hey, you're tickling my man.
What happened? Afraid of me? You don't like me anymore.
Uncle Larry, you're like my father.
And I love you like my own daughter, that's a fact. But you're a good-looking woman, too.
May I go home now, please?
How the young people getting on over here?
Yeah, not bad. How you do? How the hand?
It coming now. That letter come from my granddaughter yet.
Hold on.
You know hear the trouble with the squatters them over there in St. Andrew?
No.
Some landlord. want put them off the land. But somebody give them a hint. And then put up a big fight and stand firm.
Good. Them landlord too damn teach you hear me I tell your grandfather, then forget beaten.
Yes.
Oh, see you later, yeah.
Thank you, my
And
love.
take time walk, you hear?
Yes, my love.
Oh, see Larry and Tanya come here too.
Sure. I think I better leave this place, you know.
It's one between you and Larry.
Just leave it alone, Marcia, man. You don't want to know.
Come in.
Yeah?
Save some of the food for me.
Amen. What is her problem?
Sure, it's nothing too serious. Oh, she showed me some of her exam results. I like what I say.
She's serious about her schoolwork, man. You can take the praise for that. You're going to be proud of her one day, Larry. You trust me.
School is the most important thing, and I feel good to know that I'm helping in that area.
Hi, Uncle Larry.
Hi, Tasha.
What's for dinner?
Oh, Tanya was in such a hurry. She forget these.
Thanks, Uncle Larry.
All right.
They really going to enjoy them dinner today, you know. It's a long time we do have Kentucky Fried Chicken. All right, and thanks again. You hear? I'm not leaving it for Uncle Junior.
It was enough, Mama.
So am I.
There's some in the box for you.
This? Not even little fries and a drop of ketchup?
We're hungry, Mama.
Oh, so me not hungry too. I wonder if you know how much time I have to starve myself so that I could eat. And today we get 9 pieces of Kentucky Fried Chicken. My favorite. And that's all I get. Plus I have to go share this with Junior.
He won't know what had Kentucky unless you tell him.
You wicked, you know, little girl. Him is my brother. And the only man in this house. Without him, you couldn't eat and I couldn't survive.
You're too jumpy, Mama. See your dinner here.
If me never thought now, you'd bring it out.
Mama, I have to talk to you about Larry.
Come here, Tasha. Come go buy 2 pounds of sugar down the road for me, see? And take your time on the... Up on the phone, make sure I make up her face.
I don't want to see Larry again as long as I live.
What kind of foolishness is that, Tanya?
Him tried to feel me up.
Does no man try to feel me up?
How can I ever trust him again?
Just forget Satan.
What are you suggesting, Mama?
That you just try to go along with the program as much as possible.
You mean I must do anything he wants?
Well, I don't want to put it quite like that, you know. But just remember, if it wasn't for Larry, I don't know would I manage. Him contribution pay most of the bills around here.
I don't care.
How you mean you don't care? When Larry did about the place, things run right, you know. You can imagine life without Larry.
He's not God. Life goes on just fine without him.
It's all well and good for you, say that. But just put this in your pipe and smoke it. I'm your mother, so you do what I say.
Pass again, so for me, the Jai.
What are we here? Drink them like water, eh? The man try put it back, man. Leave him alone.
Pass.
I tell you, you must go Domino school before you try to play me.
The pass too.
Sure, man.
You're not serious.
I'm sure you've played that now. Who must go Domino school now?
You're going to find a new partner, you know, because you're not ready. Me tell the man, yeah. He said, wow. Him pick up over there and I'm suppose we did have my money put down, Panny.
I'm foolish. I pay much here.
So we did have my money.
Hold on. Not a strong thing this way, me lift up the 2 box of beer them the other day. Yeah, man. Some like them strong. You know?
You can't handle this, you know. It will hurt you.
What them say? No pain, no gain.
Hey, boy, take your knife from me now. What you do?
Yo, seems like you don't know your place.
Are you come for?
What the Ras you got about it, eh?
Yeah, man. This will teach you not for fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh, Sonny!
Walk and live. Talk and bumbuckler dead.
Jesus, Junior, he look like him dead. Sonny! Police! Run, Junior!
No, I can't leave him like this.
No, come in dead already, run! We don't want to get in front of the police!
Wait, what's going on here?
Them serve a friend. Have to take him to the hospital now.
You mean the morgue? This one dead?
No. No!
This don't make no sense to me at all. How you mean you think you recognize the murderer?
It is too dark. I couldn't see nothing.
Think man have no shit.
Think carefully, man. For this don't make no sense to me at all.
Why, Sarge? Clearly this man is covering up somebody.
You have to come better than that, Junior. We want some information now.
Maybe you want 2 rascal leak.
I can't remember anything.
Too much of this bullshit, boy.
Who your friend?
Sir, I tell you, I don't know nothing.
Think hard, man.
But I tell you, sir, it is too dark.
First you tell me say it was a tall man. Now you're trying to tell me say you don't know nothing at all?
Junior, we will broke up your blouse cup until you remember everything. All your granny birthday.
Listen to this, boy. If you don't cooperate with the police can't help you. Remember that.
What the police them say?
Yeah.
Who's yan, man?
Take a statement from me and say I must come back to the station tomorrow.
You know we in plenty trouble. And hard because of you.
Well, don't blame me.
It's your fault.
No, it's your fault. It's you, son, who was defending.
Well, I suppose so. But me never expect him to just come up, come kill Sonny, so.
If I go back at the station, no lie to you. If I not tell them what they want you, them bound to kill me.
You know, you can't talk to the police. Or else he's dead, you're dead.
Anyway, I'm dead.
Oh, your beer's so expensive.
The price them gone up, darling.
Look like my focus
your soft drinks.
Imagine you pay over $10,000 for your eardo and outfit and come here about the price of my beer. You know hardy?
Leave my eardo and outfit out of this.
Me have to talk about it, my love, because plenty people have to talk about that the outfit here tonight.
You like it?
Well, you have to well confident for you, something like that.
I'm about to right now on your fire now.
Must have need glasses.
This your body here will blind you.
Yeah, my eye them have hurt me already.
You know what? You need to get yourself a nice pair of dark glasses.
A binoculars, you mean? I have a question for you. How she get in at that?
The better question is, how she go come out of it? I think she have to go cut it off her backside. I hope she don't cut off a piece of her leg in the process.
Worse than a chastity belt to right it, everything under pressure.
I don't go hope she don't drink too much beer tonight.
Or you know she don't have a zip on that.
I get serious. What you want?
Just make sure you keep your blood-clad mouth shut, boy.
What is your bumbo-clad problem?
Fucking murderer.
Give me a red stripe.
We don't sell any and anybody around here, so.
Later, here.
Fire pan room, people ball and them scissors and comb. Black people want go home. And Mount Zion are the righteous throne. My Lord don't talk, just listen. Me happy bonfire, baby, J. Pattison. He makes certain move and we not too certain. Who much black youth behind iron curtain. Chewing and go chatty in a Babylon order. Happy bonfire, be the one you see harder. Every day cross a living get harder.
Why did you bring me here? I told you I wanted to go home.
We need to talk.
About what?
Us? A little something to make peace.
I can't accept that, Uncle Larry.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
You've been acting so cold lately as if you don't like me anymore.
You don't know why?
Because I tried to kiss you. What's wrong with that?
I didn't expect you to do something like that, Uncle Larry.
I was only trying to show you how I feel about it.
I know how you feel about me.
No, you don't. You remember how I met you and your mother? Marcia used to sell the sweetest Bombay mangoes in the streets. Funny thing, them mangoes. You have to pick them and them just right. You understand?
I hate you. I hate you.
What I do now?
You say you love me and you subject me to that?
Come here, Tasha. Come go buy some.
Sugar again. Never again. I never want to see him again as long as I live. Even if I have to go without food for the rest of my life.
What happened now?
I didn't expect my first time to be with somebody I don't love. Somebody old enough to be my father.
Stop chat foolishness.
You knew this was going to happen to me. I'll never forgive you. I'll make it on my own. I promise you that. You couldn't do it for me, so I'll do it for myself.
Hey, I wasn't doing this to me, you know. I want to make sure you get the education I never get. And food in your belly at night. No, if something is wrong with that, Tanya, you tell me.
You made me into a whore, Mama.
Tanya, how can you say something like that, you ungrateful child?
If you thought Larry was such a great meal ticket, why didn't you sleep with him?
It's you him want. 7 card. Why you have to do this to me?
Who you talking to, Mui?
I guess myself.
You're upset about Tanya?
Yes, baby.
The man just get up, put on him clothes and go home.
Married man.
Not necessarily, you know. You know them uptown man already. Afraid I'd catch them in the ghetto.
Give me my downtown man every time. I love him can't stay till morning.
When last you get anything?
A long time, you know. My 2 baby father them absent without leave and the last man all him want a money for borrow.
After them get pum them want money too? What about Larry?
Why you bringing Larry into this? Larry's just a friend of the family.
Friend my backside.
Hey, Winsome, if it wasn't for Larry, you think me one could have put Tanya through school? Besides, it's Tanya godfather.
Master, yeah.
Hey, what up?
Rotted! Him dead now! Master, I've been here killing my boy!
What a nice car. I bet you any money should have a license fee.
You nearly kill me, no girl.
But if you can't ride big bike enough to come on the street with it.
You must learn to drive.
That's how she look. Somehow we can only look good at night time.
Rotted! You is Alavine?
Yes, I'm so.
Me sorry me lick up in your man. You car alright?
You better be sorry now because I just get it.
Don't worry, sister. Take care and drive. Cause you know we don't want nothing happen to you. Now you new car.
If she have license, not buy, she buy it.
The girl only paint up her face and wind up her body. And she have money now, she can't buy anything.
I still can't get over how ordinary she look though.
Excuse me. You see Tanya? Well?
She had a date after school.
Oh, you mean date?
She went to see the movie with a young man, someone in our age.
I don't understand this.
Something wrong with that? You don't have to worry. Trevor won't do anything to hurt your daughter.
Tanya is not my daughter.
Oh, yes? What is she then? Girl, that man is jealous.
Every single day is better than the one before. And it's all because of how you treated me. And every single day is better than the day before. And I find it so incredibly unbelievable.
Where you coming from? It's the 3rd time I try to pick you up and you're not there. Answer me! Your friends think I too old for you. What you think? Eh?
Larry.
Shut up, man! When I make an investment, I must get returns, you understand?
Tanya, who promised not to upset Larry?
Oui, Mama. I just went to the movie with a boy I like.
The movie finished 3 friggin' hours ago. You expect me to believe you were just chatting?
Might be difficult for you to understand. Besides, it's none of your damn business.
I must be some blasted fool or something. Eh? Why are you fooling around in my time, eh? Why are you fooling around with me?
What are you talking about?
I've had enough of this bullshit. 1 more month. After that, I'm not going to spend another blasted dollar in this house. You understand?
But Larry, you can't do that.
Watch me. I'm going to see how I'm going to manage without Santa Claus.
Look what you cost now.
I am 15 years old. Because I don't want some old man for a lover, you're going to kill me for that?
Tell me something. What this young boy can give you?
Is that all you can think about? There's more to life than money.
That's what them teach at school. Thank God you have a good education. Unfortunately, me never lucky like you. So me can't think like you. What will happen to all of we now, eh? Stop and think about that.
Don't blame me that you didn't get a good education.
Maybe I should really blame you. For my mother and father threw me out of the house when I was 15 and pregnant with you. And that was the end of my education.
You don't give a damn about me, do you?
That's not it, Tanya. It's not it at all. If it's not all about him, I like it. Everything's supposed to be about, and I don't like that. That's not right. What about Ouch? You know, Ouch. What is? Just so I want to talk to him about that because it really can't work.
But it's all about his dance tonight. Dance tonight.
It's all about the passion.
Girl from Riva, girl from Jungle. Enough girl and none of them must sing up. I'll get Toyota enough to take me example of. Enough girl and girl in a bungle. Girl from Riva, girl from Jungle. Enough girl and none of them must sing up. I'll get Toyota enough to take me example. The one burner basis now work again.
You want something?
No, sir.
You start drink fruit, start drink it again. You have the stamina for service then. When me talk about enough, y'all just understand when me meet. Suppose I want to line up all the neck ball team. One girl can't make the team neither. Two girl can't fulfill me dream. So me have to make a walk over for one more scheme. Y'all give me money, y'all keep me clothes clean. Y'all for cook, y'all for press, y'all stitch me up and in someone for you. Enough y'all and y'all in a bundle. Y'all from Rima, y'all from Jungle. Enough y'all and none of them must be grumble. I'll get Toyota enough to take me example of. Enough y'all and y'all in a bundle.
Mama, are you home?
From Rima, y'all from Jungle. Enough y'all and none of them must be grumble. I'll get Toyota enough to take me example.
Mama, are you home? Mama, are you there?
Oh, hi, Sugar Plum. How you come home so early?
I got a lift.
I don't tell you not to take leave from strangers.
It was the man next door, Mama.
Oh.
His scarf changing color, Mama.
What you mean?
Mama, see your hand. Something right, you know, Mama. You better check the mirror.
You're right.
Mama, what you do that for?
Hi, hello. You know where the dressmaker Miss Garden live?
See it there? Yes.
Good morning, Miss Garden. I hear that you're so good, you see, ma'am. And I was wondering if you could make something for me, please.
When did I want that for? Because as you can see, me have plenty of work and it's me one.
Well, I have my own design, you know, ma'am, and I have to bring my own material too. How much you think that will cost, please?
Let's see what you have in mind. This? So what are you making this for?
Myself.
You ever wear anything like this yet?
No. But I think I will look good in it.
Me not know about that. You sure you don't want something more conservative?
What? Something wrong with my mom? It's all right. Give it to me.
Wait, stop. Why you so touchy? How make it feel?
How much?
How much you have?
1,500.
Sorry, I forgot come better than that.
Well, that's all I have, you know, Miss Garden.
Well, sorry, my love, me can't help you. But then I make just then kind of monkey money there again.
Miss Garden, tell me what you need.
What can you do for me?
Well, me up on the road, you know, ma'am, and anything possible. Television, jewelry, even clothes.
All right, I make it fair this time for the 1,500. But this is the first and the last time, you hear me? An outfit like this usually costs $8,000.
Why you look so frightened, boy?
Them trying to kill me.
Maybe because you chat too much.
I don't tell them nothing.
Informer. Dead, boy!
You ready to tell us what you know now?
Oh, you know this man? You know this man?
Yeah, yeah, man. We'll go back a long way, you know?
Well, I want you to tell him, say, I must cooperate with the police. Else we're going to give him a hard time.
Junior, I'm surprised that you're keeping information away from the police. You don't know it's a criminal matter, that.
Well, I want you to work on him for we.
Yes, boss.
All cars in the vicinity of Alpha Tree.
Leave the idiot boy, man. With the permission.
I'll deal your case later, boy.
That here right now. Over.
You understand?
Come in all squad cars in the vicinity of Alpha Tree. There's 3 suspects on there.
You have been a good boy so far. Now we have to just make sure so you keep it up. Okay. Now that your Uncle Junior gone, I think we should become friends.
One big happy family. Make yourself at home.
What you want?
A red stripe for a start.
I tell you before, we don't sell any and anybody around here.
What? You can't be nice to me if you change.
Why should I? That will be $40.
Out in the street, you sell it for 30.
In case you never notice, we're not out in the street.
Where Uncle Junior gone, Mama?
Girls, don't have no homework? Go and do it now.
Your daughters was nice to me before you come out here.
Them obviously never know who them I deal with.
You know, Marcia, that's what I like about you. I like your style. You're kind of fire. Turn me on.
I tell you before, don't come too close. You might get burned.
You ever wonder why your brother's still alive? You know, Marcia, I always knew you were the sensible one.
Open the door. Open the door now.
Uncle Junior. Oh, you smell so nasty.
Tanya, close the door. Where the hell you been? Go find something, Ando. No, go find something. Look, you's the only man in this house. That mean anything to you? You just walk where I leave my style, so. Junior, how you could have done something like that? For the past few days, you make no farmer contribution in the place. You can't just desert me, sir.
Me? Leave stall? When?
Listen, just get back to your senses, you see, and tap the damn foolishness here I'm telling you.
Man, kill my friend and then tell me say he's my friend.
What you talking about?
Should I just tell them says him do it?
Them who?
The police boy them.
Junior, I don't understand what you said to me, you know. What you and the police them have again?
Forget it.
No. No, Junior, talk to me. Talk to me.
Don't want to see any of them again.
But Junior, you can't live like that. Come back to your senses. Come back to it.
Tired. You mind if I go to my bed now?
You're sick, Junior. Sick bad.
Standpipe people gather around for this brand new sound I'm putting down. Sit tight and listen keenly. Run that.
But remember, the man who make the gun make a wicked something, you know. Devil, tech circle. Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. For the hear me, for the me say shot make you wiggle, and a something for you giggle. For the man we build the gun, him build a dangerous something. Shot make you wiggle, and a something for you giggle. Some boy must think, a head diggle diggle, and no cat not a figgle, no puzzle not a wriggle. So something to give the people them. Let me say, give me a medic, let me get my rifle. That go show you dirty nigga, all them gun stifle. Then me make another flex in a unknown vehicle. And some people never move like some real barnacle. But I come to give the whole of them pay trouble. And a wicked down that me I go show them sample. So me step from Rima and let me go a jungle. Every nickel make a muckle, you fi check your buckle. But the people nowadays are this with be evil. And listen to the demons coming. Come again, me tell you caution, make you wiggle. And a something for you giggle. And we build the gun, but study about evil.
Well, talk to me now.
I want you to use the connection and fix a man business for me.
That sounds serious.
He's a brother named Priest. Him kill my friend and come and me and terrorize my people there.
No, man, him can't get to that. Shot, boy. Must be a mad man.
I that me I say.
All right. Give me all the information you have, and I'll do the rest.
If he's a little taller than you, and him here red up, if you go in the dance and not see him, you can't miss. Hey, Charlie Smith, depend on you, you know.
Yo, I haven't let you down yet. Yeah.
The other rest a guy erect out the march.
The music too loud. What's going on? Why were you playing the music so loud?
Hello? I have to answer to you why I'm playing my music. But it ain't easy.
Since when did this become your music?
Me I listen to them kind of music long before you born. That was before I had a family to support.
Excuse me?
Come here, Winsor. I wonder if you can help me out.
What you have in mind?
I need a small loan.
How much you talking about?
8,000.
That sound like plenty money. What you want it for?
Me can't tell you, man. Not know anywhere. But you will get back your money.
I know you're a woman of your word, so I'll see if I can get it for you. See?
Sell it.
Your place or mine?
Mine, of course.
You ready?
I've been there long enough. I think I can find it on my wall.
Let me take you home. At least we can talk in the car.
I don't think that's such a good idea.
Why, you have a man?
Me? I'm mad. Them don't seem to be of much use lately.
Does that mean you do have a man?
Listen, I better leave this place.
Can I call you?
Why call me when you can't see me? When you say same time, same place. Next week.
Hey man, you can't drive so fast.
Keep your eye on the road, I'm here though.
So, where we go from here now?
Take the next left and then third right.
Me no like coming them place after dark, you know.
And over all the money.
Chalice, you wicked brute, you. Hey, you, oh, me can't hear nothing from you.
Marcia, the man is a wicked blood clot terrorist. Them say him kill about 10 man already. So we have to move easy. We need some more time, man.
Look,
Then-
Chalice, me not have no time at all, you know. Since Junior lose him, man, I just me and the girls, them, they're warm. All I'm a win the man the other night.
Marcia, it's a wicked man you're dealing with, you know. Trust me.
Boy, it look like no man can help me. So me just have to go help myself.
Morning.
Hi.
I'm here to pick up that dress for Jean Wilson.
Okay, let me get it for you. What happened? You sleeping in there?
What do you think, Miss Garden?
Look damn good if you ask me.
Thank you.
Those legs, they look like they lead straight to heaven.
You think you could have handled this, Angel?
I would give it a damn good try.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Larry. Who are you?
Oh, you see who I am.
One sexy bitch.
Live and in living color.
Hey, I don't want to leave without you. We can link up later.
I think I will have to take a rain check on that, you know. Tell you what, you give me a card and I'll call you one day.
All right. It have my home number as well, in case.
Great. Me never see you then.
Thank you, Miss Garden.
Hing gone?
Yes, you can come out now. Why, man, fully?
Anybody home? I hope you're decent. I have company. Why are you standing there? Come in and sit down. Would you like something to drink?
Yeah, sure.
Not much choice. Kool-Aid or water?
Water will be fine, thanks.
I didn't know you were home. Tasha, Mama, this is Trevor.
Hello, Trevor.
Good evening.
You staying for dinner?
That would be great.
You know, know, Mama, we really understand each other.
I hope him still understand, you know, that him see where you live.
Things like that don't worry Trevor, Mama.
Honey, I'm really glad for you, now. Really glad for you.
Good morning, this is President with the warning. Never take your life for a joke. I'm gonna live it like a soldier. Some gonna live them life like they do they soap opera. And make the director get the wrong character. The mingle with the wrong actress and actor. With them dynasty behavior. Hey, I drink your bone, beautiful. You go behave like the young man of the Prince James. I know you're in a general hospital. The holidays of your life. So you are blue like a flowers and I grow like a plant. You think your looks can give you anything that you want. Get up every day and muggle and a gallivant. And never listen when Rastaman chant. You never take what you get until you get where you know want. Tell you to be patient, you say that you can't. Put on your sexy clothes and your body you are plant. Billy, check out of it.
I can't see where them are going so over.
Because she good.
Madam opinion that.
The fat girl, the girl can dance, man.
If it was with all them fancy clothes, I think she not better than me.
Take your time. You're new in town. Have a seat before you walk.
Excuse me.
Each one want to introduce me to their mommies. Some want me back up and come over with my luggage. The ride won't be smooth, it will be rugged. My loving attitude extremely cold-blooded. If you want to ride, make sure you can manage. My daily menu is some peanut porridge. What's left to do is to do some damage.
Taking a ride, it's alright. Here's some money. Taking a ride, it's alright. Here's some money. It's another day.
The breeze is blowing,
like no other day.
so let's get going.
Gotta get away.
The vibe is flowing.
Take you on the bed.
Take the way.
Taking a ride.
Miss G.
Hi, Larry. Good to see you. But I take that too personal, you know. But nail company is always welcome around here.
Well, actually I didn't come to see you this time.
But you're in my house.
I was hoping that she would be here.
Let's stick around. She could be here any minute now.
You really mean that?
In here, we get 20 she's for every one he that step through that door.
I was thinking about a very special she though. This is a present I brought for her. You can give it to her for me?
She, I don't know when I'm going to see she again.
Do me a favor, man. Give it to her now. Beg you.
All right. Give it to me. I will try.
Thank you. I owe you.
Yes, boss.
This is Junior.
No, boss.
You don't see him from morning.
No, boss. I'm from morning, boss.
We're going around. We're going around standpipe.
You know you them Junior?
No, boss.
You know Junior?
No, boss.
Master, brother. Come here, look at you. You know you would call Junior?
No.
All right.
I wish you good luck in your new business.
Yeah, thank you.
All right?
I hear the beast. I look for your brother.
Your priest, man. You not for worry about Junior. Besides, now me I look for.
As long as Junior don't come between you and me. Seen?
Listen, man. No you see once a Junior gone. Hey, priest, the boy they can't chat to nobody now, you know. Anyway, me dey on a little mission here. We link up. Miss Garden, I have a design for your new outfit that boy mad you.
Some girls have all the luck.
What you talking about?
Santa Claus leave this year for you, my love.
For me? But Miss Garden, nobody never give me a present yet.
Marcia, you don't get nothing for nothing, you know.
Which man that you talking about?
Don't tell me, say this sexy bitch. Do I remember?
You mean Larry? A cellular. But Miss Garden, expensive gift this.
Very expensive in more ways than one. But don't worry about the bill. Lover boy will take care of that.
You think it will fit the new image?
Definitely.
Hey, Miss Garden, it's a nice feeling to get an expensive present from a man, you know. But what a backside when he find out a wingy too.
What a backside when you find out who you get it from.
What you talking about?
Marcia, Larry, one dangerous brother, you know. How else you think him could have run them go-go business there?
Hello? Wait, hold that, Larry. I suppose I should thank you. Although I can't figure out why you buy me such an expensive gift.
You don't say anything yet. I waited a long time and didn't hear from you. Now I can talk to you anytime I want.
So wait, it can't turn off.
When me turn on, it can't turn off. You get the picture?
I think so.
You get under my skin, you know, girl.
Listen, Larry, I have to run. I have something from the stove here.
Take the phone into the kitchen. What are you doing tonight?
Me not have nothing program yet.
Why don't meet me at my club, the Hummingbird? It's on Dumbarton Avenue. Ask anybody.
Girl fly all the way from Paris, and tell me how she prayed that Chuck Norris. She no want a man to thump and box and kick Mavis. Want a man that is romantic, well. Girl fly all the way from Rome, and tell me that she prayed that Sylvester Stallone. She really want a man to make she moan and groan. Simone, no want a man to come and rock up her bound. So me see man a exercise, a train and practice. Can't afford to be lost on the girl them list.
Glad you could make it. Sexy bitch.
Wow. Seems like you really run things around here, Larry. Where you get all these girls from?
It's me pick all of them. What you drinking?
Give me a tea.
You sure you don't want something stronger?
I take a rum and coke. Then you can tell me all about yourself.
Why, that is a long story. You have time?
All the time you want your sexy thing,
She no want a man to thump and box and kick Mavis. Want a man that is romantic, well. Girl fly all the way from Rome, and tell me that she afraid of Sylvester Stallone. She really want a man to make she moan and groan. Simone, no want a man to come and rock up her bound. The woman them want the loving and the tender care. Me hear them body call and I shall be terror. We have a lot of
land. in Portland, in St. Anne, in Mandeville. Yeah. Mandeville too. Yeah. That's more comfortable. Only room for one gun in these trousers.
Salary, you ever really use that?
I too smart for that, man.
How you mean? You have a gun and you don't use it?
Never. You know what delegation mean? Let me explain to you. Just the other day I run into little problems with some land. I was about to remove some squatters when this kid that worked for me tipped them off.
So you kill him?
No, man, you don't understand. I don't get dirty. I delegate. Somebody else take care of that problem for me. Sonny not tip off nobody no more.
Boy, Larry, you're bad. You mean you kill a man just because him talk?
Do you know how much money that talking cost me? Blood-clad squatters rebel for me and burn up 2 of my rotted bulldozers. Informer for dead.
Hey, excuse me, I have to run, you see? I have to go home and wash up my skirt before it dries up. You understand?
No, stay with me. I will buy you a new one.
No, it's all right. It's late anyway. I will catch up with you, yeah?
All right, then. Fatness.
It's one between you and Larry.
You don't want to know.
You made me into a whore, mama.
Me pick all of them. I don't get dirty.
Are you a comfort?
Walk and live, talk and bumbuckler dead.
Aye. Wanna see Junior about the place, yeah?
Shut the man up on the sun up.
Brethren, you don't see Junior about the place?
No, but you can't check the man up on the post, you know?
Aye, Mr. D. You see my brother, you know about the place, yeah?
Check the bone down shop out the road there.
All right, thank you. Junior? Junior! Walk up, no, Junior. Hi, Mama. What you doing?
Nice to see you.
How you
kids?
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
You must be thirsty. I'll ask Johnny to chop some coconuts for you.
This is a pleasant surprise.
Tasha and Tanya, go and pick the mango from now. Remember, this is just a short trip.
Why the boy trying to kill himself, eh?
Something not right with Junior, Mama.
I can see that.
If he want to kill himself, that's fine with me. But why want to mash up my cheering in the process?
We'll have to try and see with him now. Them kill him friend and fam, then him just get worthless. Him no work. Him no beard. Mama Junior do ever eat.
What we going to do with him, eh?
I think him should have come down and come spend a week with her, or maybe even more.
Good idea. When him smell him mother cooking, him will remember how to eat. What?
What you have in this bag, girl?
Man, them want you to kill me.
I'm back. It's only a phone call. Hello? How that?
Who you expect?
It could be anybody.
Oh, really?
Where you say, Larry?
Still playing games with me? Sexy bitch. I have to see you.
Why?
Because you look so good and I'm dying to go to heaven.
All things come to he who waits, Larry.
What are you doing tomorrow night?
Well, I plan to go into town.
That's a pity. I was hoping to take you to dinner.
Why you don't meet me after? At the African Star.
All right.
Chapter.
The gal them give me a compliment. Action speak louder than argument. Well, there was a man with the work excellent performance of the standard 100%. I know you not supposed to have to well confident. Cheater to your emotional experience. Remember that I am the doctor treat all me patient. And the gal them all tell me a real statement. To make a rest I don't make a body get ten. Well, we not go keep on no more suspense. Cause y'all have tear off me garment. And I'm all fi come in a me apartment. Boy, woman them want the length and strength. Action speak louder than argument. Well, vigorous and work magnificent. If a them bored, the girl them get the same treatment. Who a sing song to them have the wrong argument. Joe, your body under good management. Cause y'all have tear off me garment. And I'm all fi come in a me apartment. Boy, woman them want the length and strength. Action speak louder than argument. Me up to wonder with some little idiot feel. To me sing about me style banana peel. In a me yard me see girl from Maxfield. Who a find out what banana peel mean. Pick up the pen and me a go write few letter. Invite some girls to come down in a Jamaica. So me a go check just stand round the corner. They first put me late from me veranda. Well you not tear off me garment. And I'm all to come in a me apartment. Boy. Well the girl them want the length and strength. Action speak louder than argument. Well you not tear off me garment. And them a ball to come in a me apartment. Boy. Well me girl them give me a compliment. Action speak louder than argument. Well come on the man with your up excellent performance of the standard 100%. I know you not supposed to have to well confident. Cheat a chicken emotional experience. Remember that I am the doctor treat all my patient. And the girl them all tell me a real statement. To make a risk and down and make them body get ten. Well, we not go keep on no more suspense. Cause them a tear off me garment. And them a ball to come in a me apartment. Well, the girl again me not compliment. Action speak louder than argument. Well, girl a tell me send me a heaven sent. In a love making to a me say can't let them want to be good face and them no want no weak friend. Good performance, me supply sufficient. Well vigorous and work magnificent. If a them bored, the girl them get the same treatment. Who a sing song to them have the wrong argument.
Hey, girl, who you think you is? Me not like nobody try embarrass me, no. You understand?
Hey, girl, where you do? You don't know me, no? Try that shit again and me kill you, girl.
Love, I'm hearing this serious allegation. Say the man them want come drop in a the bed. I think them want come tune in from the station. I run them want come run me body red. I'm hearing some serious allegation. Say the man them want come drop in a the bed. I think them want come tune in from the station. I run them want come run me body red. But tell me you, can you manage where you after for so long? And if a hard night work, can you stay strong? I hope you have more than one combination.
Hey, see the girl there? If you know good, you better leave and come back on ya. Hey, girl, this the queen. Wrong move, that.
Let's get her, girl.
Yo. Who have a problem?
Who the pussy clot you think you is?
Just a friend. Well, the two jumpy man, the girl can dance and Beanie Man like that and nothing that.
So you would think?
No frightened man because Olivine finally go get some competition. And that man.
Yo. What going on, sir?
Them think she this Olivine a while ago.
Me just love dance. Anything wrong with that?
Maybe them think she better than Olivine.
But you know impossible. Today for Olivine, tomorrow with somebody else. Maybe this daughter, yes, sir. This a girl not ready. You don't know that?
Hey boy, who you call girl? Me box you down in a boy.
Hear me now. All of this don't make no sense. Olivine can dance, and this daughter, matter of fact, what your name? The mystery lady there. Mystery lady can dance too. It's only one way to find out who better than who. Just make them have a head-to-head contest there.
Foolishness.
Sound like a good idea to me.
No, Olivine know them foolishness there.
Olivine, tell me say you're afraid of the new girl.
Olivine afraid of nobody. We take her on anytime she want.
Now you're talking.
Olivine, come on. Hear me now. Where your manager?
Rory take care of my things, man.
Where your manager?
I will manage myself.
So now hear me, we're gonna set a date a week from today, right?
Me ready now. I don't have a problem with a week. Watch ya, me I left the place, yeah.
So who the girl there? What's she name? Where she come from?
I can't help you at all, sister. I'm just as curious as you.
Big news, you don't even know where just going behind stage a while ago. I want you to know, say, it's this Saturday, the 29th of August, right here at the African Star Land, will be the contest of the dancehall queen. You know who? Olivine, the dancehall queen, versus the Mystery Lady for a price of 100,000 Jamaican dollar. Check the argument. So let's make it a date and don't be late.
How come you're so quiet? You can dance, though.
You really think so?
I want you to win. I would have made the prize $200,000. Wait, what's wrong with you, man? How are you so quiet?
Larry, you want to see me have something where trouble me, and I have to tell you.
Yeah?
You have this guy who's been hustling me, and he won't take no for an answer.
Yeah?
Me try show him say me have my man already. When me show him say it's you, him laugh. And say you too old for a sexy girl like me. Me show him say it's you run things. And him say not for long. That boy priest is nothing but trouble.
It's who that?
It's me, so don't bother turn on the light.
Mama, is that you?
What you think?
You actually went on the road looking like that?
You look that bad, Tanya? Eh?
Mama, that's not you.
You're right. It's not me. But I have a plan that's going to make life better for all of we. And funny enough, you know, Tanya, it's you give me the inspiration. I just coming from the dance hall. I'm going to challenge Olivine for her title.
You, Mama?
Yes. In the next few weeks, I could be the new dancehall queen.
I don't think I like the sound of that. What my friends going to think?
I know I can't do it, Tanya.
Funnily enough, you know, Mama,
You don't look too bad.
These legs used to do some wicked shuffling. Tell them no, Marcia.
That was long before I born.
I don't think it's anybody from around here.
Me don't think so neither.
So your mission work out?
What mission? Oh, yes, man. Everything cool.
And your brother? You have him on the manners?
Junior cool priest. You think I could have make a madman distress our program?
So you're ready for tuning in to my program?
Priest, me have something to tell you. They must say out upon the ghetto grapevine that is some big man that contract you for kill Sonny.
Who said that?
You don't know, ghetto room operate already, but it's stink all about. Listen, priest, may I beg you just take care of yourself. Know that Junior gone, I don't have a man to look after me, you know. So may I beg you to just keep a low profile. I will find out all where I can find out on the road, all right?
Yes, Father, you don't want none of this.
I saw them want to play me.
Hello? Larry?
Yo,
How things in the country, darling?
just business as usual.
Larry, you want the dress I want for the contest going to cost me more than I can afford.
No dress could be too expensive. Just put it on my bill.
And it come with a wig and some shoes too.
No problem.
By the way, Larry, you think you will get back in time to check me after the contest?
Oh, you mean after? I will be your biggest supporter.
Larry, may I beg you, meet me after the show now. The last time you did watch me, I was so nervous.
If you're sure that is how you want it.
Yeah, all right.
Later then.
All right, baby.
Okay, sugar. See you backstage.
Why you never ask him for your Lexus too?
Where we dial there?
REFM, #1 reggae station in the universe. Pinky, you know you want up the African star. No, it's what I want. Beanie Man set up a competition between Olivine, the reigning dancehall queen, and the mystery lady for a prize of $100,000. Where you at, say? Yes, the two women nearly catch fight the other night. So Beanie said, settle the score on the dance floor. Oh, me happy today, me not late. Saturday, August 29, the big showdown to see who are the best round town. The dancehall queen, Scene.
What, Rasta? How come him always a give more dumpling than I? A what?
Reese, every time you come with them fuckery, I want to hear.
Watch ya, man. Move up. I want to talk to the daughter, yeah. Where did the past few days? I come check your the stall, you know.
You find out anything? What, man, you not fix your business yet?
Everything cool, Marcia. Rude boy, don't fear.
All right, hear this. I'm going to try make a raise at the dance later. That competition's supposed to draw plenty people. Why you don't meet me after the show?
What happened to the rest?
All good things come to he who waits.
Suppose them find out that is you, though, Mama.
Then Tanya couldn't go through with it. You think I could go there and dance in front of all them people the way I've been dancing if them know it was me? You're mad.
Rumor have it that is somebody from the area, though.
So me here.
They won't discover that it's you, though, Mama.
Well, this is it. You better wish me luck. I'm nervous too, is it, Tanya?
Mama, you'll be fine.
Where you going, Mama?
I will tell you later. I'm leaving you in charge of my girls. Them and I take good care of them for me, right?
Girls, you mean girl? I come in with you.
Tasha is all right with me, Mom. So you don't have to worry.
All right. If it gets late and you want to sleep, you can sleep on the couch. All right? I'm gone. Everything all right? Remember what I tell you?
Everything is everything.
Come, Dad.
See what's up, me wanna take me for any joker. That see a man make me hold them notes. Me no play them casino, me no play them poker. Them plan to destroy me with the coke and jokes, yeah. No problem, it's just like a damn barracuda.
You're shaking like a leaf, man.
Lord, Miss Garden, I'm nervous till a week. Is who that?
Come in.
What, girl? You nervous?
No. You?
Tell me how much could I nervous when my so-called competition is just an ordinary little street vendor? I know who you are. And by now, everybody out there know you too. So you just take my advice and go back and sell a little soft drinks and beer out the front. Because you don't belong on the same stage with me. So the mystery lady is mystery no more.
The big showdown in the African Star tonight. Put your hands together for the reigning dancehall queen, Halloween.
That's
can't go through with it. Go out there and call it off.
After all this?
I can't do it. I can't do it. Everybody out there knows me. I can't go out there and face them now.
What happened?
That bitch Olivine finds out who me is and spread it through the whole dance hall.
So you're going to make her frighten you off like that? After all this work and money, after all this sacrifice, you going to make all of this go down the drain? You couldn't be serious.
Tanya, I've never been more serious in all my life.
Sammy Cellular. Hello. You think it have a bust when I hold it tonight? I'm going to all of the things when you like. So you can see it, don't believe me. Tell me the chance I'm going to let you see. You think it have a bust when I hold it tonight? I'm going to all of the things when you like. So you can see it, don't.
Why do you think she's trying to frighten you? It's because she knows you're better than her. I'm not ashamed of who we are. Are you?
But Tanya, everybody out there knows me. Nothing in this world can make me go on that stage tonight. You hear me? Nothing.
Marcia. Everybody know. So when you're looking so miserable, them love you.
See, I tell you, Mama, it's not just for you and me, it's for all our way.
When me wig?
Him a deal, you handle him so till him start squeal. You tell him tell you wicked, but he never believe. Now him never him, he's a said it's no shut up for his woman. He did that one hype.
Where Marcia there?
She gone around the corner.
Lord Clad. Madman around things now.
Sammy Cellular. Hello. You think it have a bust when I hold you tonight? I go and do all of the things that you like. So you can see it, don't believe me. Give me the chance, I'm going to make you see. You think it have a bust when I hold you tonight?
Yeah! Let's hear for Olivine. Wicked dancing. But ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage the challenger. Welcome the mystery lady. Yeah!
Yo!
I heard they're searching for you. Ooh, gangster.
Street vendor.
You can run. Now get the force of the Holy Ghost. They say they want you for shooting men. Robbery without permission. They say they want you for rape. dead meat.
I have here in my hand the results of the Dancehall Queen contest. Come in, Alavine. Come in, Mr. Lady. Well, you both give Jamaica a very nice show. But there can only be one winner. And the winner is the Mr. Lady.
This is a special dedication to the Mr. Lady, Marcia, and to all the people who have big dreams. Come in, Seven Franklin, and come down, my selector. Yeah.
You know something, Olivine? It's true you're the queen of the dance hall. But there's a whole new world out there waiting. And I'm going to get some. Chat bar!
skin filler with a girl ya wine. She look like mama killer. One touch me to feet, burn me like pepper. But you the DJ out on the Allah. She will walk forever, Allah.
She is the disco queen for life. Gonna explode like dynamite. And she's moving out of sight. And she's gonna mash up the place like dynamite. She's a disco queen for life. Gonna explode like dynamite. And she's moving out of sight. And she's gonna mash up the place like dynamite.
Contest a walk with the dancer queen. Who already crowned on the one all of fame. Hell about the house when Miss Lady come in. Then everybody starts screaming, seeing where the girl come from, nobody don't know. She's a devil angel and she's a go-go. It is her a human and she's a yo-yo. Ask me, I don't know, but all me know. When you get up down African star, me see bus, me see truck, me see bike, me see car. Night time come and video light it turn on. Everybody start to alarm, can't keep calm.